Spinach is one of the seasonal leafy vegetables in the winter, and it is indispensable in preparing many types of main dishes, especially in various pastries and pies. Learn how to make a pie with spinach filling with cheese and delicious and quick ready-made phyllo dough. Let's start with the ingredients to prepare the filling. 1 olive oil, 1/4 cup spinach, 1 kilo. Onions, 6 pieces sliced. Dill, 3/4 of a cup. Fresh and finely chopped Feta cheese, 250 grams crumbed. Eggs, 3 beaten. Salt, a pinch. Black pepper, a pinch. Now with the preparation method. To prepare the filling, heat olive oil in a pot. Then add the onion slices and sauté them until they wilt. Add the spinach and leave until cooked for about 10 minutes. Add Feta cheese and dill to the spinach mixture. Season with salt and black pepper. Stir a little. Then add the eggs and stir the mixture well until the ingredients are completely combined. Heat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Grease an oven tray with a little olive oil. Then spread 6 layers of phyllo dough on it, brushing each layer with a little oil. Add the spinach filling in the tray on top of the dough and distribute it evenly, pressing it slightly, then cover it with 6 other layers of dough, brushing each layer with a little oil. Place the tray in the oven for 45 minutes until completely cooked. Take the tray out of the oven. Leave it aside until it cools a little, then cut it and serve it. And that's all. I wish you a good appetite. We meet in a new Arabic recipe.